Knickers, idioms. Idioms with knickers. Knickers are women's underwear. They're called pants or panties. Men don't wear knickers. I don't wear knickers. And Americans will get confused if you refer to knickers. So, knickers, idioms. Oh, knickers! This is said when you've done something wrong or something's gone wrong. Oh, knickers! I've spilt my coffee on the floor. Oh, knickers! I forgot to save my work on the computer before I closed it. Oh, knickers! I've just scratched the car. Oh, knickers. Oh, don't get worried about this. It's not rude. Don't get your knickers in a twist. This can be said to a man as well as a woman. It simply means don't get worried about something which is not important. No, you misunderstood what I said. Don't get your knickers in a twist. I didn't steal your car. I just borrowed it. Okay, there's a scratch on it. So don't get your knickers in a twist about idioms. Please subscribe, as the little bird says. Oh, knickers, you forgot.